Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Maserati Levante. First, gather your essential tools like quality jumper cables and a reliable donor vehicle. Make sure both cars are completely turned off and in park or neutral for safety. Then, locate the battery terminals on your Levante, usually under the hood or in the trunk, depending on the model. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Maserati's battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Always double-check that these connections are firm and stable to avoid any accidental sparks or disconnections during the process. Safety first.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money and build lasting wealth, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Moving on to the negative connections. Take one black negative clamp and attach it firmly to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. For the other black clamp, find an unpainted metal surface on your dead Maserati, away from the battery, like an engine bolt or chassis point. It's crucial to avoid connecting this clamp directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With all cables securely connected, it's time to start the process. Begin by starting the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try to start your Maserati Levante. If it doesn't fire up immediately, wait a few more minutes and attempt to start it again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.